So I came here till here. Let's cross the road. You can see the traffic. And 1, 2, 3 roads. So you can see the traffic. Red light and traffic on the left. Let's cross it quickly on the zebra crossing. Here you know the value of zebra crossing. Otherwise someone total 4 roads. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I will go. What's in dinner? Rice. Potato and rice. Veg, all veg. Near coconut tree, you can see.
You went without calling me.
No, I was already out. I went around 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
and now I came.
Where you went?
First I covered the mall.
Mall of Asia went,
Went.
Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia went.
I came today, end of 6:30 only.
Okay.
Okay.
You have done. Okay. What is this?
This is rasam. Wait, don't add. This is for only rice. While you should first eat chapati, then you should eat rice. After you should, for this much rice, you should take this.
Okay.
This is rasam.
Okay.
Others you should drink in one glass.
Put in glass.
Yeah.
Yes, I have glass also today. Glass I have.
This box also you brought.
This also. Small
Already
utensil.
cleaned,
Cleaned.
Okay.
Rasam. I can take a sip.
Like that. Sip.
Hmm. How it is made?
This is made water,
Water.
turmeric,
Okay.
coriander leaves,
Hmm.
curry leaves,
Okay.
okay, ginger,
Hmm.
then turmeric, then tomato.
Tomato.
Some people will add tomato, some people then chili,
Okay.
and then okay, based on their taste. You just take one sip, no?
One sip. Let me. Is available.
Actually, we made one video, isn't you completed the editing?
No, because today now I will do.
Office. What is the good?
Good.
Isn't you like this PG food?
No, it is good.
Good,
Good.
Okay, compared to your native, it's good. Okay.
No, good.
Why you take the spoon in that? While you handing, you eating in hand, na?
2 days I eat with hand.
Before you, not a single day you will be eating in hand.
No.
Okay.
That's why I took it.
Okay, no problem. Then what you tried in mall? Isn't you eating anything in mall?
French fries.
French fries. Burger King, Huh? You went Burger King in 3rd floor. Isn't in Mall of Asia, every Tuesday will be the movie day.
Okay.
At that time, the movie cost will be only 99, but for only selective movies.
Okay.
Only selective movies will be 99. We
Hmm.
gone at least 2 times.
Hmm.
See, your friend coming. He disappeared. We gone mall.
What mall? Which one?
Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia.
Morning you had dosa?
Hmm.
It's good, huh?
What is good about the dosa?
You are happy. Okay.
Absolutely no taste there.
Hmm?
You ask Nikhil, he will tell the taste.
A beginner, when a beginner, that
Yeah,
time they
yeah.
like good. No? Good compared to other PG, good. Yes or no?
Daily same food na.
That is good.
Tomorrow is bhaji. You know bhaji?
No.
Tomorrow is not Bhaji.
Tomorrow is Friday na.
Tomorrow we will get egg biryani. Sorry.
Egg rice. Tomorrow is egg rice.
Egg rice.
Isn't it trade egg rice?
And veg fried rice.
Veg fried rice is also there. Veg fried rice they will add gobi.
That will be okay.
By the time you come, you will not find anything. You will find only rice.
You should come by the end of 9 o'clock only. By the end
You should come at exactly 8.
Right.
Then only you find.
I think tomorrow he plans to go to roam the Bangalore. I think again.
Roti nahi khali roti. खा लिया?
Go enough, to take 5 at least.
No, I can add it. No.
Ah, yes.
Add here.
There is a lot of chili.
Chili I can put side.
No. Lal mirt. Powder.
Good, ah?
You are asking like you are.
Chandigarh.
लड़की का है ये जैकेट
Like this.
What is the meaning of Paji? Uncle. Paji means uncle, brother. He is which room? Like he is lost. That one motor guy is there, Shivkumar, you know. 105, 108, 108,
107.
107. Oh, this side. Lost. Where is your bike? Last one, na? Nice, nice, bro. Okay, bro, bye.
खाना सेट हो गया? खाना वेदर सेट हो गया क्या इधर का?
Check. Books you keep in locker, man. Keep them outside. In morning also, I also planning like this way. In my area. For study, this is a good area.
Yeah, this is very cool.
No disturbance, no any means. Okay, so I will join with you. Okay, for these studies. I also like all these things. So you are on this thing now.
Or on this thing.
This thing, right? Okay. So what we will do, I will also study one topic and this we will together discuss.
I will give one topic. You must study the directive principle of states and fundamental rights. Must all human beings need to know.
Just for general knowledge, these things are required.
Yeah.
Homemade.
We have 2 buffalo on yesterday. It's on.
Wow.
It's really
100%
It's really good.
Homemade.
Next.
And also we will also visit his place.
Okay.
We will plan.
Okay.
That way we will explore also the area. He visited many states.
Yeah, he.
Here I have to catch it. This far I have to keep. Then it will be good quality. But I'm not sure if it is catching. I don't know if it is catching the voice or not.
Because mine is putting here.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on.
You
You
are running there, working.
You cannot catch us that easily.
I know. Is it front camera, right?
Back camera I'm recording.
Oh, back camera.
So this also needs a good skill, right, to create the video.
Good only. But carefully you do go. See, slowly, carefully. Oh my. Don't do fast, please.
See,
Take care.
For road crossing you are saying.
Not only road, we are hitting girls, crossing traffic.
When I hit, never I hit.
You not hit. You just slowly do. Everything is nice. It is a good skill.
Hmm.
It is not a normal.
Hmm.
People enjoy these vlogs and all.
People enjoy and no one is able to do this.
Yes.
See, it is not easy to go to unknown people and talk to them, right?
Yes. Yeah.
You are saying carefully, slowly.
I'm saying carefully and slowly because that's important.
So what care should be taken?
Yeah, while you are in a crowd, just slowly you interact with the people and check surroundings and all. And while you are crossing traffic, because while we are taking vlogs, we feel so excited. That is
Excited.
common as a human. So that time, but you have to take care personally and when we are in a crowd,
Not to get hit.
not like that. Don't hit the people.
But if someone is intentionally hitting, then
No, of course.
if someone is intentionally hitting, then it is okay.
That is okay. That is okay, fine. See, but we have to take care first. Life is important. Even we are hitting anything and traffic and all, try to make a little slow and observe surroundings and all. That is
Yeah.
only my advice.
Right.
Everything is good. We are enjoying vlogs and all. It's good for health also.
So you saw other vlogs.
Sorry?
So I sent you the links, right? You saw those links.
Yeah. I saw already some links and all. It's very nice. Whatever you made, some vlogs and all. It's a very fun and creating some happiness to us.
Some information also there.
Yeah,
Information.
Yes.
What information you found?
I think you one company first the Indigo Airlines company. That's why many information I got because I'm a AV student. That's why I capturing all the information.
Okay. Which flight is going from
Yes,
there?
yeah.
Which are the airlines?
Which is the process when you going because time schedule is there.
Time schedule is there.
From careful vehicles.
So we will talk about aircraft, okay?
Yes. I'm
You
interested.
come to me,
Yes.
we will sit together,
Yes.
create one video on aircraft.
Yes.
We will discuss about that. You will also share your thoughts, I will then share my thoughts about airlines, flights.
Just normal
Traveling.
Traveling.
Where is your PG?
Your PG behind only. My PG.
Yeah,
as well.
before that.
Huh?
Your PG will
Your
first.
PG here?
Further.
Yeah, I also come.
Come.
Not here. I have to cross your PG.
No. Your PG is before our PG. Our PG is
Oh,
further.
Is it like you guys has to cross Medplus? Medplus.
Keep going, man. Don't worry. Keep going. Let's see.
That's wrong. You are all asking. That's
Let's-
okay. Circle
No,
is
no.
there, na?
Because I don't know, he don't know, right? You
Oh,
don't
You are
know.
also okay.
So just keep going.
Oh, you also know?
No
You are
idea.
new joiner?
Yes.
Oh, that's why you
I'm
together
only
exploring
one
in
week.
this workshop.
No one knows anything.
5 days
Just
only
keep
I
going.
Okay, carefully. That is only saying. Yeah, it's okay.
Don't die on the way.
Yeah. See,
See.
even though while making vlogs and all, people are a lot of hurdles
See,
are happening.
there is one more
That's
thing.
what.
There is one more thing. Hey, come here.
That is-
There is one more thing. Stay in the picture, man. there is one more thing. See how
You're also
How many-
observe traffic and all. Yeah.
how many times we laughed, right?
Yeah.
Together.
That's good, yeah.
Otherwise, you were not laughing since morning.
Yeah, definitely.
So now we are laughing. Laughing is
So much
important.
area love.
It's important.
That's very important. Yeah.
Smile is not there, life is full bore.
Yes, yes. So now we are enjoying and laughing, right? This time we are out of stress.
Yeah, definitely.
We have no worries
Yeah, 100%.
right now.
Yes.
So the whole life should be like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Keep it real.
We try to make us happy.
Oh, this is the tea, right?
Yes.
I came yesterday.
Yeah.
I came on your shop.
Yes.
I came.
Same. Thank you.
I will keep meeting, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. This is the shop, right? That guy is here or not? Hey, where is that guy? The yesterday guy. That is not there. What you said?
Now time vlog are finished.
Lot of?
Vlog finished this time.
Yeah, still means we have to keep capturing
Yes.
because we don't know what good moment comes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't know when a good moment comes.
Come.
Hmm? This way. This is
only
your.
your piece,
This is all. Yours is further.
Yeah.
Let's drop him. Come.
So
Nearby or vlog?
their circle is there, na?
See,
Nearby.
these days, what is happening? People are alone mostly.
Mostly.
So the happiness is in togetherness.
I'm happy.
That is my experience. When we are together, we will enjoy more. Otherwise, if you are alone, you will keep droning
Yeah.
under stress. You don't know what to do.
Yeah.
How much further we have to go?
I think you guys can.
No, we go.
There only circle.
That circle further.
Here only.
So I already told that we are on same road.
Yeah. Same room.
Same.
And third floor,
Different floors.
So are you staying in a which sharing, like two sharing or three sharing or what?
It's a three sharing.
Three sharing.
I'm too sure.
What about your?
Mine is single sharing. Seriously.
This kind of bikes, you like that kind of bikes, right? That bike. Later on, we will buy one bike, okay? And explore Bangalore.
Many places are there.
But the problem is on one bike, two people can only sit.
Yes.
Yeah, otherwise it is bus or what? It is the only safe.
What is this offer? What is this? Offer? What is the offer?
यूनिवेक कंपनी का फैक्ट्री आउटलेट से है
Outlet. What is the offer? What is the offer?
ऑन द MRP 35, 40, 50% offer.
50% offer.
Yes.
Oh, good. Today, tomorrow also you are here?
No.
Today?
Today only. In the 2 time of the month.
2 time of month.
Yes.
So what 2 times you come?
Afternoon 2 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Okay. When? Which days?
After 15 days. 1 day front before.
Okay. You have any visiting card? This is your area.
Yeah.
Some dogs are there.
No, nothing is there.
We should be safe as you tell.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
Dogs are not there.
We have to create so many vlogs. We have to be safe.
Okay.
This guy is also good, right?
Yeah.
And you find this guy is also good.
Yes.
So this is the power of the secret book you were reading.
Yes.
Due to that only we connected, right? Because during that you were in that mindset, right? So I caught your frequency. This is the PG, right?
This is only big.
Not small, man. This is a big bill. Big bill.
Building big. Madras small. Madras small. Okay. Well, you want to see my room? That is.
If you want to show,
Okay.
No, for meeting we can go, right? We are not going to sleep here and start leaving.
But also it's okay. It's okay.
Later, someday we
Later.
will. Yeah, this person is also
Very
good. Kindly person. And we enjoyed it together, right?
Exactly, yes. Time is how to go, I don't know.
Hmm?
Time how is how to go, I don't know.
Time
Time is more.
passed and we
Yes.
earlier time was not
Earlier time.
passing.
Yes.
So now we don't know how fast it went.
Yes.
So now directly we will have dinner
Yes.
and then have some rest.
Yes.
Then again
Because
walk.
so much kilometer are walking.
Then
Yeah.
again walk.
You put small clips.
Okay.
Some comedy clips.
Small clips.
Small comedy clips.
Comedy.
To add this video. Because that's some more views are coming more.
In between some comedy clips.
Comedy clips. You attach it.
Okay.
Yes.
You send me, okay?
Yes. And some hashtag, hashtag.
Hashtags.
Have to use the hashtags. Most important, bloggers.
That is important.
Yes. Because the time views are come more.
With hashtags we will get more
Yes,
views.
more views. Because my area is also bloggers is there. We also use the hashtag.
Okay. Stay this side. Stay this side. In your area, Tamil Nadu, there are many vloggers.
Many bloggers are there.
They are famous.
Famous YouTubers.
Okay.
You know Vijay Sidhu?
You send me all the link.
Yes.
Open mobile, send me. Otherwise later on we forget,
My
right?
network is down. No, the full is down. I go to
You
PGA.
just ping me in WhatsApp
Yes.
right now.
I have your
Type
number.
the message.
Yes.
Open it. Open the WhatsApp. Type the name.
I send it now. You go to PGA and send it. This is the number now.
Open WhatsApp.
My network is not working.
So that we not forget, right? You were there right earlier. She turned the face. She turned her face. Yes. So you want to be covered in the vlog? Okay. Okay.
This is. I send it.
You send me later, okay?
Yes. This is my sister.
Okay.
This is my daughter.
Okay, we will add. You send me the photos and videos.
Because that time this video go to my Akka relatives, sister relatives.
Akka.
Tamil means Akka.
Akka.
Sister means Tamil God Akka.
Okay. Akka.
Yes.
Okay. So your Akka's family.
Yes. That's why more means
Akka's husband.
Yes.
Family.
Husband side are more relatives there. That time more.
So they all understand English.
Yes. Little bit understanding.
They will get to know.
Yes. And I sent it on the YouTube channel link also. And
What is that?
your YouTube channel link also I sent.
Yeah, right.
That's time views are.
The group is still going, right? Okay, bye. We are staying here. Here we are staying.
Finally come.
Good evening, guys. The main manager is here. Owner. Good. So we enjoyed a lot. There was some celebration going on in the mall.
Mall, like a Rajasthan celebration.
No, that is what is
Christmas celebration.
Christmas celebration.
I start చేసినట్టు.
I will send the link. You can see.
Okay.
Open it. I will show you. You can add it like fun thing, right? But it is a right point he's saying. I was also doing like that only earlier. So what we should do is, I'm capturing the vlog, man.
Okay.
But that voice will come in between. Stop.
Yeah, you can.
It becomes a problem, man.
Oh, Anna. Here's చెప్తున్నారు vlogs.
Okay, no problem. We can do it. Now I have so much editing work.
Yes. You have more time and editing also. You have more time in editing.
Editing 1 or 2 hours
Yes.
it will take. Hey,
One thing you remember, bro, that the comedy clips are at most important.
comedy clip is.
Yes.
Okay, network is there. Send me.
Okay.
Now you see we forgot, right?
Yes.
This is what I want to avoid. Because there are so many things we avoid. We forget.
Yes.
Right now send me. Else we will skip it. Where you stay here?
Outside.
Okay, let's go inside. Go inside, go inside. Okay, now send me what you were telling in WhatsApp. Let's go for the dinner, man. What time it is? It's 8:30. Let's have the dinner. It is veg today. Veg items. Veg, all veg. Where is your dinner? You are not doing dinner? In room. What happened? Good evening. Darshan. Nice to see you again. You have dinner?
Yeah, I had dinner. I'm getting headache.
Headache.
Fever.
What happened? It little much.
Yeah. That's why I need to sleep. Okay. Today.
Monday I will go.
Okay. Okay.
Good luck.
Bye.
Meet you tomorrow, Sunday. Good evening, man. How are you? Good evening.
No English, only Kannada.
Only Kannada. I need to learn.
Okay.
You teach me? Okay. I will learn Kannada. Teach me. Let's get back. I have done my dinner and do some editing because today so much clips we have taken, so which need to be shown to you, right? So let's go and do some editing and upload it. Let's start the editing, man. We have the editing completed and upload for you guys.